We're looking now at how to install the Collision Sentry onto a pallet rack corner. It really couldn't be simpler. First, take the product out of the carton. Ships with everything you need to get this going. Collision Sentry ships with the batteries disabled. As you can see here, the lights aren't lighting up, meaning there's no power to it. To arm the system, just pull the tab that's included right here near the top side. You pull this out, and as you can see, the lights start blinking, indicating that the power is now connected. The next step is to install the product, is to attach the included product tether through the loop on the back side. The tether is intended as a safety device. Just in case the Collision Sentry is knocked off its magnet mounts, the tether prevents the product from falling to the floor and becoming damaged. Simply loop it through here, and we're ready to go out and install it. To install the Collision Sentry to the rack, you simply snap it on. The ideal height for a Collision Sentry is about 7 to 9 feet off the floor, or about 2.5 meters. Simply take the tether that you've already installed, loop it through the rack, snap it on, and loosely attach the tether, and you're ready to go. It takes about 30 seconds for the Collision Sentry to acclimate to everything around it, and it starts working right from there. For more information about Collision Sentry, go to www.sentrypro.com.